How's it going? Today I'll show you the best apps which you can use on your Firestick to watch live TV and live sports free of charge. The whole setup of those apps is actually really easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, you'll have to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, you gotta start typing downloader. So let's do it right now. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on it, and now here's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader on your Fire Stick, you'll have to go to the settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, you'll have to turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps. And now from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily on those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So let's go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick, which is right here. We open it up, and there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using the downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Vietnam right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So let's go back to the list of apps on your device, open it up, and finally go straight to downloader. So we open downloader on your Fire Stick, and now what you have to do here is open the search bar, and then in the search we'll be entering the codes to get amazing sports apps on your device. So now the first link we'll be using will be hdstreams.live, so let's enter that together. Once again, it's hdstreams.live. So there you go, there's the link that we have to enter. make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Because obviously if you make a mistake, then the link would not work. After that, click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now a website has opened for us, so all you have to do is click on download Android, and then on download direct. And now the download of the app is going to start for us. So usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. And there you go, the download process has finally started for us. So let's just wait a bit until it is finished. And there you go, the app was downloaded, but we also have to install it to your device before actually using the app. So click on install and wait a bit until it is installed. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now let's go back to the list of applications on your Firestick. Let's open it up. And here's the first app that we just downloaded. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. So that's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. Then feel free to open the application. And in here you will get access to hundreds of channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. And so just like that, we got the first amazing app to your Firestick, but it is not the last one. So now we go back straight to Downloader and I'll show you how to get one more amazing app for live sports on your Firestick. So we open Downloader again, click on Home, and now we'll need to enter another code. So the second code we'll be using will be 504 and then 524. So once again, 504 524, that's the second code. Click on go, and now the download of that second app is going to start. So now this website opens, you have to scroll down a bit and click on download for Amazon Fire TV sticks. And now the download process will be starting. Yep, there it is. So the whole process is going to be pretty much the same as it was with the first application that we downloaded. And now the app got downloaded, so we also have to install this one to your device. Then click on done, and of course get rid of those unnecessary installation files from your Firestick. And now let's go to the list of apps on your device, open it up, wait a couple of moments, and there's the second app that we installed. So first of all, let's put it up front as well, so the app would be easily available on your device, and then open the application. And now from here you get access to a lot of channels from different countries. I had to blur out the screen for the same reason as before, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.